Hello, Mike Fitzpatrick here again with Dealer Trend. What I am going to do in this video is do a little back-end setup. We've got a lot of the groundwork already in place as far as what we want to have on the site. We started our mind map, so we know what our menu items are going to be. And now I want to actually get some plugins that I'm going to be using while I build the site. Just having done this a lot of times, I already know pretty much which plugins we want. But let's go to our plugins. We're going to select Add New. And I'm going to do SEO, and I'm going to search for Yoast. I want to use his plugin for this. We're going to install now. I just double check. That's the one I want. Install. Okay. We're going to activate that one. And then we're going to add new. And then we're going to do a W3 total cache. Caching is great to make sure your site is fast. Obviously site speed is always important, so this will help speed that up a little bit. So we're going to install now. Okay. And then now that that's activated, I pretty much have everything I'll need at this point. We may add some other things in the future. If you look at the plugins I currently have, the Ask Commit plugin that comes by default with WordPress, I have deactivated. I've also uploaded Gravity Forms. This was a commercial theme, so I actually uploaded this from my desktop. Hello Dolly, this is one that comes automatic with WordPress. I've deactivated that. The Jetpack one, I've deactivated that, and then we just uploaded 2 plugins just now. Okay, so now that we've got that, let's go in and let's add some categories to our posts. So under Posts, to Categories, and then we'll just add a new one here. And remember, I've got my mind map. Let's do let's do gas prices. And I'm going to make this gas prices DFW to be a little bit more specific. Now the slug is the actual URL we'd use. So it'll be economycarsdfw.com/gas prices DFW, and we may leave the category in between, so it'll actually say category/gas prices DFW. So let's do this. This is DFW. Okay, and then later on I'll go through and put some descriptions that we can use for SEO, but for right now let's just put the ones we've got. Okay, perfect. So now we've got those 4 categories. Now we want to put those in our menu. Remember, we've got 2 different menu items. The one on the bottom is where I want the categories to go, so they pop out a little bit more. And then on the top, we'll put some other links. Okay, and we'll do those in custom links a little bit later. So I'm going to go to my menu items. And first of all, I have to create a menu. So let's do primary menu. We'll create that one, and then we're going to create a second one that's secondary menu. Okay, create those both, and you'll see over on the top I've actually named them the same as this site. So primary and secondary, and we'll save those. And as we scroll down, you're going to notice that we're going to have some pages, actually the sample page there. And then if I hit View All under Categories, all the items that I just added are now in there. So we're going to add each of these. We'll add to the menu. And I'm on the secondary menu, so that's perfect. And you'll see the order in which they're presented here. Let's put that one up on top. Not that it really matters at this point. We may play with them a little bit, and then we're going to save that. And then when we go back to our site, we've got our menu items. Okay, so now what we're going to want to do is actually start adding content to the site. And we'll start off with some pictures. In the next video, we'll get some images and add them to each of these categories, or we'll add some posts to each of these categories and make them show up on the home page so that we start getting a nice look going. So that's it for this one. That gets us started on the menus, and next time we'll go a little bit further. Thank you much. We'll see you on the next video.